In this video, I will show you how to get Slack notifications for new Facebook leads automatically. So when I get a new lead via Facebook lead ad form, notify my team automatically on Slack. Want to learn how you can also automate this? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the Facebook lead ad form I have created, and when the lead is arrived, I have sent this message to all my leads saying that new lead alert. Hello team, a new lead has just got captured via Facebook lead ad form, and I have also attached the lead details so that my team members can quickly follow up the lead and try to convert at their best. And to automate this process, I will have to build an integration in this Facebook lead ad form and in this Slack application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software using which I am going to connect my applications, and in this way I am going to automate my task. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. So I have directly pasted the name as get Slack notifications for new Facebook leads. Now it will ask you to select the folder, so I'm selecting this main workflow folder, clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. So according to our use case, I want that whenever a new lead has just got captured via Facebook lead ad form, the team members should notify automatically on Slack application. So in this way I have selected both the applications in this trigger and the action window, and now I will be connecting these 2 applications one by one with this Pabbly Connect software. So let's connect this Facebook lead ad form with the Pabbly Connect. So selecting the trigger event, that is new lead instance. So yes, I want to perform the same, that whenever a new lead is arrived, the data should be instantly captured via Pabbly Connect. So I have selected the same, clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection and click on this button, and if you are already logged in your Facebook lead ad account, it will detect that access, the authorization is successful, and my Facebook lead ad account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, so it is connected, and here you can notice because we are connected, whatever the pages are available inside my Facebook account have started visible here. So I'll be selecting the same page, that is this jewelry store, because I'm running ads on Facebook. You will have to assume that, okay, and whatever the lead generation form I have created in this page have started visible here. So I will be selecting this jewelry shop, the jewelry shop lead form. Why I'm selecting this page? Because if I will take you to the meta business suite of this particular page, you will find the same forms, and I am going to submit this form only. Okay, clicking on this all tools section, then scrolling down, and here you will find the instant form section, and this is the Facebook lead ad form section. Alright, lead ad forms, and this is the form which I am about to submit, which I am about to share. Okay, again this is just our testing form where I am collecting the name, phone number and email. So closing that because the same form is already open in this particular tab. Okay, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, clicking on this button save and send test request and waiting for the response. Okay, you will notice that it will start waiting for the webhook response. Okay, also read the instructions. It is clearly saying that you will need to generate the sample submission by filling out the form by clicking on this preview form button. Okay, so because I'm not running any live ads, so I will make use of Facebook lead ad testing tool. If you want to learn more about that, you can click on that hyperlink and you can open this Facebook lead ad testing tool from here only. Okay, so scrolling down, and this is the link. You can even search the same on Google. Basically you can reach out to this lead ad testing tool, and here here you will find again all the Facebook pages as well as all the form. Okay, so the same lead ad testing tool is already opened here, so I have closed the same, and now finally I'm clicking on this next button, clicking on the submit button, and as soon as the submission is done, you will notice the same Facebook lead ad form data will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, waiting for the response, fingers crossed. Alright, so the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. Here we have the same name of the person, the same dummy lead phone number, the email address is also here. So the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Facebook lead ad form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. So now onwards, what will happen? Every time someone will submit this Facebook lead ad form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I will be connecting the Slack with Pabbly Connect, for which I'm selecting the action event, that is send Slack channel message. Clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, clicking on this button, and firstly it will ask you to select the user or bot. Okay, so you can directly click on this hyperlink and see the differences, basically the permission differences in this user and bot. Okay, currently I want to send the channel message and the same thing is provided in both the case, so I can also go with bot as well as user. Okay, so how about I copy this bot only, clicking on the save button, and in this way my Slack application will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. It is also asking for the permission, so give me a second, let me provide the same. Alright, so the authorization is successful and it will be connected, and because we are connected here, you can notice whatever the channels are already available in my Slack account have started visible here. Okay, so I will be selecting which channel in which I want to send the new lead alerts. Okay, so the name of my channel is new lead alert, so I will be searching for the same, that is new lead alerts. Alright, so I have selected the same. Now you just need to compose your message. So I have already prepared a basic message. How about I directly copy and paste the same, and firstly I will correct the formatting of this message. So this is the message I'm planning to send to my team as a new lead alert. Before this hello team, I also want this new lead alert. Alright, so this is the message I'm planning to send to all my team, that is hello team, a new lead has just got captured from Facebook lead ad form. Details of the leads are as follows, and here I'm going to share all the lead details. And the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy the above data and paste below again and again for every new lead. I'm going to map these details, which will replace these details automatically when our automation will work in real time. And mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the above step data here in the drop down. Simply select that data, and in this way it will be mapped. Okay, so in the same way I'm going to map other details also. Alright, so I have added the email. Now I will provide the phone number also, and again telling you whatever the details I'm mapping here from this drop down, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time, and whatever the details I have provided manually will remain same. Okay, so the message is ready and these details are not mandatory, so currently I'm leaving it all blank. If you want, you can provide the details. Finally clicking on this button save and send test request and waiting for the response to receive. So if that response is positive, that means the message has been sent, and here you can notice the same message has been sent automatically to my team on Slack channel. So in this way you can also notify your team about every new Facebook lead with the help of this amazing automation software Pabbly Connect. Yes, once this automation is ready inside this Pabbly Connect, you can even close Pabbly Connect, because this will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this two-step automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. Click on that link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And make sure that your automation is always enabled when you want this automation to work in real time automatically and instantly. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.